Hello, everyone, and welcome. Today, I want to review an important idea in online teaching. A Canvas course is also a web-based learning experience. When students enter an online course, they are not only reading content, they are navigating pages, buttons, modules, links, assignments, discussions, grades, and announcements. That means course design matters. A well-designed Canvas course can reduce cognitive load and help students focus on learning. A confusing course can make students spend too much energy figuring out where to click, what to do next, or where to find important information. This is where UX design or user experience design connects directly to teaching. UX design is about making a digital space clear, usable, and purposeful. In Canvas, students should be able to answer three basic questions quickly. Where am I? What do I need to do? What should I do next? Several UX principles help explain why this matters. First is Hick's Law. Hick's Law tells us that the more choices people have, the longer it takes them to make a decision. In Canvas, a home page with too many buttons, too many links, or too many competing directions can slow students down. A clear start here path helps students begin with confidence. Second is Jakob's Law. Students expect online spaces to work in familiar ways. If every module is structured differently, students have to relearn the course layout again and again. Consistent module structure helps students use their energy for learning instead of navigation. Third is Miller's Law. Working memory is limited. Students can only process a certain amount of new information at one time. Long pages, crowded instructions, and too many tasks listed at once can overwhelm students. This is why chunking matters. Course design works best when information is broken into smaller sections that build on each other. Instead of overwhelming students with large amounts of content, we can organize learning into manageable pieces. Fourth is Tesler's Law. Some complexity cannot be removed. It can only be managed. A course has due dates, policies, assignments, grades, resources, and communication expectations. Strong course design organizes that complexity for students so they do not have to carry all of it themselves. Fifth is progressive disclosure. This means showing students information when they need it, not all at once. A weekly module overview is a good example. It gives students the information for that week without overwhelming them with the entire semester at one time. Strong module design also supports memory retention. Students learn more effectively when courses include repetition, retrieval practice, and opportunities to actively apply information instead of only reading or watching content. Finally, the aesthetic usability effect reminds us that clean, organized design feels easier to use. A course does not need to be fancy, but it should look intentional. Clear headings, white space, consistent formatting, and simple navigation help students feel more confident. Good modules function like learning pathways. Module overviews, structured activities, and clear sequencing help students understand not only what they are learning, but why they are learning it and how concepts connect over time. The main takeaway is this: Canvas design is not just about making a course look nice. It is a teaching strategy. When we reduce clutter, use consistent structure, and guide students step by step, we reduce unnecessary cognitive load. That helps students spend less mental energy figuring out the course and more energy learning the material. In online teaching, design is instruction. A clear course supports clear learning. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this review helpful.